There's little or no secret that we wise for natural health doctors have kept for years. Hiding in plain sight, right there in the kitchen, is a simple natural remedy with the power to transform intimate health in a way most people have never imagined. What is the secret? Coconut oil. Yes, the very same coconut oil that might be sitting on your shelf right now, often overlooked and underappreciated. But for those who know its true value, like this woman who has been greatly benefiting from it for years, coconut oil is much more than just a cooking ingredient. It is a natural treasure for women's intimate well-being. Now, here's the surprising part. You've probably never heard this from your regular doctor or see it on TV. Why? Because mainstream health tends to ignore these kinds of natural solutions. But today, we're unveiling the truth. By the end of this video, you'll understand why coconut oil is hiding the need for intimate health, and why you'll never see that coconut oil the same way again. How can something so simple be such a powerful tool for well-being? The magic of coconut oil lies in a compound called lauric acid. This is where things get interesting. When you apply or consume coconut oil, lauric acid turns into monolaurin, a powerful substance scientifically proved to kill harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This same compound helps protect newborns, as it found in breast milk. Imagine what it could for your intimate health. Let's start with one of the most common issues women face, yeast infections. If you ever had one, you know how comfortable and frustrating it can be. Itchy, irritating, and a complete disruption to your day. And what's the typical solution? Over-the-counter creams or antifungal medications that sometimes come with unpleasant side effects like burning or irritation. But here's what they don't tell you. There's a natural, effective alternative sitting right in your kitchen: coconut oil. You might be asking yourself, can coconut oil really help with yeast infections? The answer is loud and clear: yes. Coconut oil's antifungal properties are incredibly potent, particularly against Candida albicans, the fungus responsible for most yeast infections. The lauric acid in coconut oil breaks down the cell's walls for fungi, killing them and preventing further growth. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it doesn't stop there. Let's move on to another common issue many women experience: vaginal dryness. Whether it's due to hormonal changes, menopause, or even certain medications, dryness can be uncomfortable, especially during intimate moments. Now, consider the lubricants available in stores. Coconut oil, on the other hand, is 100% natural. It's a deeply hydrating moisturizer. It's like giving your intimate area shooting nutrition treatment while also protecting it from bacteria and infections. At this point, you might be wondering, it's really safe to use coconut oil for intimate health? Absolutely. But here's a tip. You need to choose the right kind of coconut oil. Look for organic, extra virgin coconut oil to ensure it's pure and free from harmful chemicals. Even though coconut oil is natural, just like with anything you apply to your skin, It's always a good idea to patch that feature to make sure you don't have any sensitivities. For most women, Touch coconut oil is not just safe, it's a game changer. Beyond treating infections and dryness, coconut oil is incredible shooting and healing for irritated skin. Whether it's from shaving, waxing, or wearing like clothing, irritation in your intimate area can be uncomfortable and even painful. Coconut oil helps calm that irritation, reduce redness, and even speeds up healing for minor cuts or abrasions. It acts as natural balm, creating a protective barrier on your skin while allowing it to heal. But we can't forget about overall intimate health. It's antibacterial and antifungal. Prepares help keep your pH balance in check, prevent bacteria and yeast from overgrowing. It's even been shown to help reduce wanted odors, keeping you feeling fresh and confident throughout the day. A little applied after shower can do wonders for promote a clean, healthy environment for your intimate area. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Coconut oil is just a kitchen staple or beauty product. It's a powerful natural remedy for supporting intimate health. If you face a yeast infection, dryness, irritation, or simple want to maintain balance and health, coconut oil can be your secret weapon. The best part? You're holding a natural solution that can transform intimate health. Now that you know the secret, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more natural remedies and wellness tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.